So they had a guy come to do a test today, new employee, and this is what he did.
So, we're about to demonstrate how to feed your filler rod on a root pass. We have marked our filler rod to better illustrate how we feed it. Let's get started. Boom, get that arc started. Notice how the arc has been turned on for over 3 seconds and we have not yet introduced the filler rod. This is because first you must establish a puddle of molten metal. This is your tungsten, and it is what establishes your arc. Your arc melts the metal, creating a pool of molten metal. This pool of molten metal is what melts your filler rod. Long story short, your tungsten melts the pipe, your pipe melts your filler rod. Every time you see the filler rod being pushed into the puddle, you see that you push your filler rod into the molten metal. You do not push your filler rod against your tungsten or run your tungsten over the filler rod. Your tungsten moves back and forth between the walls of the bevel, and the molten metal follows along, catches right up to it. Here you can see where the filler rod got stuck. This happens when you push your filler rod into the puddle, but you're keeping your puddle in motion, so once the puddle moves away, it quickly solidifies, solidifying your filler rod with it, getting stuck. And there it is. I hope this clears a couple of questions for you.